Dear friends, declaration of war has a very bad impact on an agreement between two people. This is the last episode of Failure of Contract between you and me, and I apologize for my fault for dragging the topic so far. I ought to have completed it within time, but I will take care of this in future. I will improve myself. So, dear friends, if there breaks out a war between me and you, then I will not be able to prepare more of videos because even if I prepare, you will not watch it. So, this happens when two parties enter into a contract with each other for some purpose, and after finalizing the contract, if war breaks out between both of them, or if war breaks out between people related to both of them, then this puts their contract in danger. Because suppose if I and my friend we decide to meet each other, we are small children, we decide to play with each other, and we decide to play through dolls. I have a doll, she has a doll. We decide mutually that I will go to her house the next day at 10 a.m. in the morning. I will take my doll to her house and we will start making plays that this doll met that doll and they became friends and so on and so forth. But what happens? We finalize this contract. Thereafter, the next day when I go to her house, we are just going to start the play after having breakfast and tea and everything, very happy and very cordial relationship. But what happens when we are just about to start the play, we see our mothers fighting with each other due to a maid. And what we get to know that the same maid visited our house, my house, but she did not visit my friend's house. The maid, same maid who works for me also and for her also, the maid went to my house, the maid came to my house, but she did not go to her house. So, because of the maid, there is a fight between our mothers, and then you know that if mothers are fighting, they are elders. They are elders, they are responsible, they are more wise than both of us, both the children. And what they ask us to do later on, after their fight, we have to follow it. So, my mother asks me to not meet my friend anymore. Her mother asks her to not meet me anymore. So, we have to obey the laws because we have to honor our mothers. So, because of the fight between the two ladies, we also have to cancel our contract of play with regard to our dolls. So this happens when war breaks out between two parties, between the parties to contract. They have to cancel their contract because the motive for which they are entering into contract becomes futile. Okay? For example, I should offer you some mature example also. For example, if India and Bangladesh are meeting each other for a dialogue with regard to Teesta River, and water sharing is being discussed between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, then what happens? The contract is signed, dialogues are there, everything is decided, all the things are decided, the provisions are decided, everything is going on very nicely, very cordially. But what happens later on? One person from India goes to Bangladesh for some purpose and says something bad about Bangladesh people, citizens, and Bangladesh Prime Minister, and people are incited against Indians, and they say something bad about Indians in return, and this news reaches India, and Indians are also uh, ignited against Bangladeshis, and this happens. We are not ready to accept our fault. If it is fault of India, we are not able to accept our fault, and we say something bad about Bangladeshis. Then Bangladeshis react, and then there is news on all the news channels, and all this all this has an adverse impact on the agreement regarding Teesta River between India and Bangladesh. And all this results in the failure of contract, because the bond between India and Bangladesh is injured. It is adversely affected. The ties are broken, the ties are adversely affected. There is enmity between two countries, and therefore the contract comes to an end. The contract gets cancelled. So, this is the topic for discussion with you all today, that if there is breaking out of war between parties to contract, then it puts an adverse impact on the contract between them. So, even if they have entered into a contract, they have decided everything what to do, but after that, if they indulge in war, if there breaks out a war between them, this has an adverse impact on their agreement, and this breaks their ties and frustrates their contract. So, thank you, friends. Friends, if you like my performance, if you feel that I have improved from before and I can go on improving, please do give me more and more opportunities, help me evolve, and stay happy and healthy. Keep connected with me, and thank you, friends.